Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we're at the Wyndham Hotel Melbourne, an upscale establishment conveniently located along William Street within the Central Business District. The hotel is more akin to service apartments as their entry-tier room is a one-bedroom apartment. We'll be checking out their 47 square meter 2-bedroom apartment instead. Immediately to the right is the bathroom, which comes with an enclosed rain shower and bath amenities by Apelles. Moving on, the compact kitchenette is adequately furnished for short stays or light cooking. A well-stocked countertop with plenty of coffee and tea sachets is included. Beside the kitchenette is the dining area with a compact 4-seater dining set. Next to the dining area is the first bedroom, which has 2 twin beds separated by a bedside table. The room features an ample floor-to-ceiling wardrobe with mirrored sliding doors. Heading back to the common area, there is a 2-seater gray fabric sofa facing a 50-inch high-definition LCD TV. And lastly, next to the balcony is a simple reading desk. The placement of the desk offers ample natural light and a conducive environment to get work done. Next to the reading desk is the second and arguably most coveted bedroom, with a queen-sized bed facing the balcony and a view of the Melbourne metropolis. The overall room aesthetic is minimalist yet modern and pleasing. Our apartment faces the Supreme Court of Victoria building. The hotel features a barbecue pit and heated rooftop pool with panoramic views of the city. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Wyndham Hotel Melbourne. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.